Hey guys from YouTube, it's Gavin. Today I'm actually going to show you a DVD. Also, I'm actually going to unbox it, and it's a very rare box set. It's called Two Fantastic DVD The Fimbles, and it's also a WH Smith one. And I'm just really pleased to get it. It says both DVDs are incredible, a with a bonus, emphasizing along game up and other fun features. Yeah, so this is actually what it's got. So it's got get the Fimble feeling. Let's find the Fimbles. I bought this from an eBay seller, and it's not bad. So I'm actually gonna unbox it. I'm so pleased that I bought this from an eBay seller, brand new. Same seller. I've got some other things, but I will show you in my next video. But the same seller has sold me something, so I'm hoping it will come after Christmas. Mm. These are mm, these are actually all sealed. Wow. It says on here, new on DVD. See if I can take the sticker off. Stick. Nah, the sticker is way down, so I can't put it on this. So here's the disc for the first one. Let's find the Fimbles. It's got blue, jiggly hat, and wig. Trying to figure out how to open this. Ah, this one what I'm opening up now, guys, is get the Fimbling, get the Fimbling feeling. It's it's got it's got suitcase, tumblr, tum, tum, and hoop. Disc. I'm so pleased I got this. Yeah. And the whole DVD lasted and 1 minutes. So it's an hour and 11 minutes. But yeah. So that was the box set. Two fantastic DVDs, the Fimbles. So bye guys.